Watch how I can play the chords and then melody to the John Cena theme. Then so this first part uses 2-string chord lifts to play the chords that descend down into the melody of the John Cena theme. Then the next part just uses a few notes to play the rest of the melody. The chord lifts look like this. I put my thumb on the 3rd string and my pointer finger underneath the 1st string. I'm going to pinch just slightly and lift off. That's my first chord lift. That's an A minor chord. I'm pinching and lifting off. My next one, which is a G chord, I put my finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string and I use the 2 outside strings to do my lift. Just like that. So the first 2 sound like this. And then try that with me. Here we go. Try it again. Ready? Here we go. Awesome. Once you can do that, you're ready for the last 2. The F chord lift, the 3rd chord, I put my spacimita balla, my pointer finger, on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And I do my lift with these 2 strings, strings 1 and 2. Just like that. I pinch and lift. Then I move my pointer finger up 2 strings to the 4th string, and I lift the 4th string and 2nd string. So those 2 in a row look like this. The F one, followed by 2 strings up, and the 4th string and the 2nd string. Try those 2 in a row, it goes. Then, try it with me, here we go. Then, let's try all 3 in a row. So I'm starting with the 3rd string and 1st string, that A minor chord lift. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Then move 2, then move 2, then move 2. One more time, we go. Then move 2, then move 2, then move 2. Up to speed, it sounds like this. After that, I play the melody. I play the melody on only 2 strings, the 1st string and the 4th string. The 4th string I use open with my thumb, and the 1st string I play a few notes here on the top of the ukulele. So watch this. I use my pointer finger. I start with an open 1st string and I play open 2. After that, I'm going to play that open 4th string with my thumb. Look. And then the open 1st string again. Those 4 notes in a row. Take a look. Open, 2nd fret, open, open. After that, there's only one more phrase to the entire melody, and I go all the way up to this 3rd fret, and I start there instead. The rest of it's the exact same. I go. So I go 3, 2, open, open. So in a row, it goes like this. Good luck. Give it a try and play along.